What's going on, Turbo fam? Hope you guys are having a beautiful day. I know the markets are looking a little bit choppy right now. Turbo is back at the 208 mark. I mean, guys, Bitcoin itself is down at like 92,000. We are back at like levels that we thought that we were able to escape, boys. And listen, I don't want you guys to fear. I don't want you guys to panic because there's a lot of that on the markets right now. The one thing I do want you guys to do is if there are coins in your watch list, it is probably time to get in. Listen, if you're new to the channel, my name is Ro. I cover the latest and the greatest crypto content right here on this channel. If you guys are new, subscribe, hit the bell notification. And also, guys, like this video. If you're the Turbo family, you want to get this word out, like this video, start sharing it over on other posts, whatever it may be. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm only here to entertain and educate you guys. So with that being said, let's hop into today's video on our beloved Turbo token, the best meme coin in all of the crypto space. Let's just be honest, guys. This thing, there really isn't anything that comes close to in terms of tokenomics, in terms of tier 1 listings. Again, the dev is also Docs, rep Mankind, all the way from Australia as well. You know, a lot of people do say that they that I remind him of them. So you know, and a lot of people were saying that they thought I was a Turbo founder. Listen, I'm not going to say too much on that, but if you know, you know. Now the price of this thing has dropped again, like substantially in the last 7 days. We're down 11%. Volume is sitting at 82 million. The total supply, obviously 69 billion, guys. It is evenly distributed, like literally some of the best distribution that is out there. A meme coin made by AI for the people. It brings in the best of both worlds, right? Meme coins, AIs, brings them together into a beautiful meme token. And AI plays, guys, they're going to be huge this bull cycle, okay? AI tokens are going to be huge, and meme coins as well are going to be huge. I've always said this. If you guys remember what happened in March 2024, which was pre-halving, we've seen some of the biggest gainers were actually meme coins, running up over 1,000% in terms of gains. And then the second one was actually utility plays. RWA was actually second place, having ran up only 200-300%. So obviously there is a lot of hype around meme coins, especially when retail starts to come in. Now, I understand that we have taken a massive dip in the market, but this is just another buying opportunity. The reason for that is if we actually take a look at the trading view chart here, this is one of the best entries that you could have, guys. Trading at 2084 right now. It just bounced off this demand area and this obviously the upward trend support as well. We have all that. You can see this. It's literally following this chart to a T. If you guys are swing traders, this is something that you could get into. Now, not financial advice. I don't recommend anyone leverage trade. Again, it is a lot easier to lose your money. But if you guys wanted to get into a beautiful snipe, a beautiful entry, this demand area that we're sitting at, mixed in with the upward trend that we're on right now, guys, might be one of the best times to load up. Again, I've always told you boys that we do need to hold and break above that penny mark, and that is something that we've been struggling with. So hopefully this push that will come in the next couple weeks or days, whatever it may be, we break above that penny, we come back down, retest that penny mark, and move towards the upside. Again, if you guys have had Turbo in your watch list, or you've seen it over a penny and you're like, yo, I need to get in, but what's a good price? Listen, the thing is, the narrative around a coin when it's pumping as opposed to when it's dumping is never going to be the same. The sentiment around it is always going to be completely different. And, you know, I completely, I don't think I disagree with you guys when you say that, hey, I would have bought this thing under a penny. The thing is, the narrative again around it is going to be completely flipped, right? So if you guys are not able to buy the coin right now, there's no way that you're even going to be able to sell the coin, right? Because you want to go against your emotions, you want to go against your feelings, and right now your feelings and your emotions are probably telling you, dude, this thing is going to go down a lot more, or this thing is going to continue crashing. And listen, when that's the case, you want to be buying. When there's fear, when there's uncertainty, when there's doubt in the markets, that is when you should be accumulating. That's what the smart people are doing. The fear and greed index sitting at a 69 fear, guys. Or 69 greed has not touched into the neutral yet. And I don't think we're going to be touching into the neutral just because Bitcoin is over like $90,000. As opposed to like where it was last year. But honestly, guys, historically, you also should know that Q1 is the best for Ethereum as well. After halvings, which our halving was 2024 April. So this Q1 of 2025 is going to be bullish for altcoins, for Ethereum, as Bitcoin dominance tapers off. If you guys hold any Turbo or it's on your watch list, make sure you go follow them over on X, right? Stay up to date with the latest information. And the latest news, because it's one thing to hear from me, but you guys should be a step ahead of the curve. You guys should Obviously be following them on X. If you could, join Telegram groups, and tune into obviously their AMAs. I do participate in some of them as well, and you guys should be able to check that out. Biddle Europe is starting an absolute pleasure. Is starting, and it's an absolute pleasure to stand alongside these incredible builders here in beautiful Lisbon. If you're in town, swing by and grab some exclusive Aurora swag. So guys, listen, you know how the partnership came out with Aurora and Near Protocol. They have partnered with Turbo to make something called Turbo Chain, bringing in more, DeFi enthusiasts into the meme coin space, which I think is super cool. You're going to be able to launch your own tokens and things like that on Turbo Chain as well as use Turbo Swap, burn fees. It looks like they're doing a little bit of a meet and greet over at Portugal, Lisbon. If you guys live around there, make sure you check that out. After bouncing off the crucial 0.618 fib level, it's like a rocket waiting for launch. Keep an eye on the descending wedge pattern. Again, guys, I'm pretty confident that the 0.68 is where it's just sitting at a 209. Okay, so the price of this has slightly dipped below 209. We are at a 2084, but I don't think we'll be there for too long. Let me know what your guys' thoughts are in the market, if you guys are fearful or how you guys are feeling right now. Are you buying? Are you just waiting on the sidelines? Let me know what moves you guys are making, and if you do want to know, guys, exactly when I buy, exactly when I sell into projects, make sure you check out the Memecoin Master. You get access to private buy sell alerts, exclusive live streams, exclusive content, access to me 24/7, portfolio reviews, and everything in between. Make sure you guys check it out. And remember, at the end of the day, none of this is financial advice. I'm only here to entertain or educate you boys. I'll see you in my next video. God bless y'all and peace out.